Okay, now we go to the Excel section. Now we look on this paper. Okay, look on question number 24. It says using a suitable software package, load the file g1432project.csv, and then if you scroll down, there is a merging, there is a function there like lookup function, so it means very clear that we will open this one using an Excel. Now it means it's very clear CSV file can be opened using an Excel. Okay, CSV stand for comma separated values, so it means you have like one value that actually consists many value, which between values, okay, you will see a comma there. Okay, now it says what I need to load the file g1432 project, so I will open that one. Okay, it will look like this one. Now, this is the real look of a CSV data, which is, like for example, this one actually is very clear. This one's like a date, this one's a text, and then text. There would be another text, and then comma again. This one would be like a number, right? Because this one is like the title. There's a date, project, country, order number, amount, and currency. Now, look that in its value here actually consists of many values and is being separated by a comma. That's why it's called as a CSV. Now, when you open a CSV file and it looks like this one, don't worry too much. Okay, you can separate this one into separate columns by clicking on the data there. Okay, and then text to column. But before you click on that one, you need to select all the cell, or just select the column that has all the data there. Usually that one will be all the files or all the records or all the data will be available under the column A. So I just click on the header of A, and I go to the text to columns. Okay, and then it's being separated using a comma, so I just click on the delimited there, and then in here the delimiters will be a comma. It's very clear that that one is a comma, that was comma, even like the title, right? Between titles you see a comma, so you just go next. Okay, and then after that finish. Now I will make everything fully visible, okay, the data and also the heading, so I double click on the heading there. Okay, like this one. Sorry. Okay, so here is the date. Okay, the data type for this one would be a date also. This one, the data type would be like a text, alphanumeric. Here, alphanumeric. This one is alphanumeric. This one is a number. Now, this is the thing that you need to remember when you open a CSV file using an Excel. Okay, when you're dealing with a data that has date as a data type, you need to be sure that the data would be right aligned. So for example, like 5/6/2017. Look, if I change the width, I enlarge the width of the cell. Look, basically a date type of data, the alignment would be right aligned. It's the same like for number. Okay, if you enter a number, then make sure that that one would be left aligned. But if you're dealing with a text like this one would be left aligned. So make sure you observe first the data whether they are correct or not. Now, if using this method doesn't work, means like for example, some of the date here would be like left aligned, or some of the number here is left aligned. After using the text to column, then there is another way to make sure like all of them, okay, has the right data type. Okay, so I just close this one. If you still remember, when you're dealing with an access, when you need to import the data to an access, sometimes you need to deal with the regional and language in the control panel. So the the other thing that you can do is you go to the control panel. Okay, you go to the control panel, and then you go to the language or region. I click on the region here. Okay, and then I will go to the additional setting there. And then look, there's a list separator. Basically, the separator between like values in the CSV is a comma, so I will make it comma here. Now, when you replace comma here, make sure like the decimal symbol there is dot, because if you look on the Excel, there is a decimal number. Now, if you have like comma here for the list separator and also decimal symbol, then the computer will have a trouble to differentiate which one is categorized as a decimal symbol and which one is categorized as a separator. Okay, apply, and then OK, and then apply, and then OK, close the control panel. Then when I click this one, automatically all the data would be in a different in a separate column like this one. And then if you look on the alignment, the default alignment, everything is correct. Like for the amount here, it would be like it would be a number, so all of them is right aligned, so that one's correct. And then this one is the date for sure, and then all of them is right aligned, so for sure that the data type for this one is correct. And then you are ready for the next instruction. Okay, okay, that's all for this video.